Are you planning a move in New Jersey but feeling overwhelmed by the thought of all the logistics? Don't worry, in today's video we'll guide you through finding the best local movers in New Jersey. With our tips, top-rated moving companies, and expert advice, you'll be on your way to a stress-free move in no time. Before we dive into our top local movers list, here are some key takeaways to help you make the best decision. Make sure the company is licensed and insured to protect your belongings during the move. Experience and a strong reputation are key factors in ensuring a hassle-free move. Check reviews and ratings. Find out if the movers offer additional services like packing, storage, and vehicle relocation to fit your needs. Now let's take a look at some of the best local moving companies in New Jersey. These movers offer exceptional services and can handle moves of all sizes. First up, we have International Van Lines, IVL, a top-rated moving company offering a full range of services from local to long-distance moves. They specialize in moving services for local, interstate, and even international moves. They also offer air freight, car shipping, and storage solutions, making them an all-in-one provider. However, keep in mind that their services tend to be on the pricier side compared to more budget-friendly options. Next, we have American Van Lines, AVL, which excels at handling specialized, high-value items. Whether you're moving antiques or artwork, they provide careful, meticulous packing and transportation of your most precious belongings. Start planning at least 8 weeks in advance. Create a timeline to stay on track. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more moving tips and advice. Best of luck with your move.